There may not be two significant Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 upgrades after all. According to reputable leaker Ice Universe, certain exciting speculated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 upgrades may not really be coming to the upcoming foldable. First off, contrary to earlier speculations, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 won't be IP58 dust/water resistant certified, according to IU's sources. With any luck, this will still imply that the new Z Fold is IPX8 certified, much like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and earlier generations, making it just as water resistant as other top-tier smartphones. However, having a guarantee that dust won't get into the foldable's sensitive components was something we were looking forward to as a significant improvement in the durability of foldable phones. Additionally, according to IU's sources, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display crease is identical to that of the Z Fold 4. This strikes us as strange in light of claims that Samsung may update the hinge on the Z Fold 5 to make it better in a number of ways. One of them was Samsung using the water drop hinge design, which is now used by other recent foldable phones and should, in theory, lessen the crease. Therefore, either Samsung has done something with its own water drop mechanism that has left the crease exactly as noticeable as before, or all these claims regarding the alterations to the hinge were false. The Z Fold 5 would thus be susceptible to rivals with less noticeable creases in the future, which isn't such a big concern for its prospects against the Google Pixel Fold, which has a big line down the center of the inner display. Ice Universe has just revealed a number of unwanted details about the Galaxy Z Fold 5, including the assertion that there won't be any camera upgrades from the Z Fold 4. According to some sources, the Z Fold 5 will at the very least have a new processor and its hinge will reportedly be tested to endure more folds than before. However, Samsung's bigger foldable won't get a complete makeover until the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The reported Samsung employee's response that the new phone's upgrades hardly entitle it to be called the Galaxy Z Fold 4 succinctly sums up everything. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is receiving a considerably greater update at the same time, with a larger cover display. It's still a totally distinct kind of foldable, made to be small rather than wide. However, the Z Flip 5 could still be Samsung's superior foldable this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.